Our company name is Muyang Group from China. And in 2004, we already been in India. Until now, we have 8 years. And you can see this machinery. And this machinery is called a pellet mill. This machinery can produce pellet for poultry or for cattle. And in this exhibition, 2012 for Poultry India show, this is the main machinery we show to every India client who want to buy this kind of machinery. This is just one part of machinery. Actually, this is a system called a poultry systems. In this system, this part is the most important thing. And we can form this system we call pellet mill systems. From the top, we have feeder and then 2 sets of conditioner. And then final one is pellet mill. Muyang Group have a head office in Hyderabad. And in this year, we have 3 offices. Another one in Delhi. The second one in Calcutta, the third one in Bangalore. And next year we are planning to another office. One is in Vijayawada and another one is in Chennai or whatever, some other place like Indos. Our many product is like this. We supply all the machinery for this poultry feed, cattle feed, floating fish feed, and so many other things. In Vijayawada, that areas we supply most like 80 to 90% floating fish feed turnkey project in that areas. And yeah, until now we have 10% in this Indian market. 8% is sales engineer, 1% is mechanical engineers, 1% is electrical engineers. We will stay in India like every year 200 days and just come and back. We want to service Indian market much better compared with before. Then our person must be stay here. Then you will become very safe because we are here. Every day you can contact with us. Like this exhibition, this is a main party for us to show our machinery every year just once, but we thought that is enough. In these areas, every person can see Muyang's machinery, and most clients, I think over 95% of clients satisfied with our machine, whatever shape looks like or whatever quality. If any client got our machine, will feel so satisfied because whatever before service or after service, we try our best to satisfy any client who want to make any feed, and we try our best to support India, whatever poultry feed or whatever other feeders. We try our best to do. First, like this, when client and us sign the contract, like we doing the drawings for the client. We just connect with each other for technical things. That will cost, I think, from 1 week to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, drawing, I mean the layout drawings and the flow chart confirmed, we will get started to manufacturing this machinery. In general, for this 10 ton per hour poultry feed, if for turnkey project, we need 75 working days. 75 working days, not including Sunday and Saturday and also Chinese festival. 75 working days. After that, everything will finish. We get started shipping from China seaport, like Shanghai seaport, to India seaport, whatever, Chennai port, Mumbai port, Calcutta port. And that will cost another, I think, half a month to 17 or 18 days for this shipping during the sea. And I think in India, that customer clearance will cost another 1 week. After that, machinery will depart from seaport of India to the factory. After all the machinery arrived at the factory, like this, 10 ton per hour poultry feed. For installation, we need at least 3 months to do all the job. Then everything will find. You mean the product. Like this machinery, that is not just for showing in this exhibition. We already sold this pellet mill to some company, to some farm. Yeah, in Hyderabad, and until now, to 2012, for poultry feed turnkey project, we already have 2. One is in Hyderabad, another one is in Bangalore, and some other feed like floating fish feed in Vijayawada, Elulu, that Kudiwada, Bimawara. We have supplied turnkey, at least 12, and so many other single machinery not included. Poultry just one part, and for exhibition we mainly focus on this poultry exhibition because in this part we can know more client.